For that reason, you want to avoid this exercise at all costs. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean Floch of Floch Fitness. If you're new to the channel, we are all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athletes. We have podcasts, product reviews, nutrition tips, and exercise tutorials like these. So if you're into that type of thing, please subscribe. If you have been working on your front rack mobility, you have come across the following exercise. I used to be a big fan of this exercise a few years back, but I have since shied away from it for the following reason. Because our elbows are in a flexed and externally rotated position well above our shoulder line, it's actually going to exacerbate a posteriorly compressed position, pulling the rib cage down to the ground and forcing the upper and mid back toward the ground. Additionally, if you're a hypermobile individual, this exercise is going to pull on your shoulder capsule, elbows, and wrists, and has the potential of creating laxity within those joints, which creates more instability. Posterior compression of the rib cage is the primary reason why athletes can't front rack the bar. And by using this exercise, you're actually promoting posterior compression by driving your chest forward and having your arms flying up over your head. Other than this front rack mobility exercise, I have my athletes perform rock back breathing. Let's demonstrate it now. I like rock back breathing because it promotes posterior expansion and anterior compression. And if done correctly, you're not going to be using your retest muscles. You're going to use transverse abdominis and internal obliques, along with your triceps and anterior serratus, to drive the rib cage back, get those abs kicking on, and that's going to promote flexion and external rotation of the shoulder. So let me demonstrate exactly how you want to be doing this. First things first, you're gonna get a mat down so you keep your shins and knees comfortable. You're gonna be sitting back on your heels, and then you're gonna have your elbows even with your shoulder as they go straight down. I like to promote some external rotation, so I'm gonna externally rotate my hands so that my hands are just outside of my elbows. From here, you should feel the back of your shoulder kick on just slightly. You don't want to strain during this exercise. You wanna have nice relaxed tension. From here, you want to push your elbows into the ground, driving yourself away from the ground. It's very subtle. You don't want to overdo that and kick on your pecs, and you don't want to crunch and round your back. You just want to have a gentle abduction of your shoulder blades, basically meaning your shoulder blades come apart and wrap around your rib cage. From here, you're going to take a silent inhale through your nose, and then fully exhale with an open mouth sigh. Keys to this exercise are continuing to push yourself away from the floor so that the shoulder blades wrap around the rib cage, and focusing on expansion of the area in the mid and upper back as you inhale gently. Because you're breathing into your upper back, you're getting rid of the posterior compression that is forcing you into the compromised position that you're in now. Test out your front rack position, then perform 2 sets of 5 breaths and retest your front rack position and see if it improves. If you get some success during this exercise, throw it into your warm-ups on a daily basis. That's all I have for today. If you like this video or you learned something, go ahead and give it a thumbs up down below. And while you're there, please subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on all of our latest content. I'm Sean Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching, and have an awesome day.